Unlike Maya, where you hit the space bar to get to all four orthographic views and then perspective view, in Blender you use uh, Control Alt and Q. Control Alt Q gives you all four views, and to access one particular view you hit Control Alt Q in that view a second time to get back. So what I did was I hit Control Alt Q to access the four views. If I want to go back to perspective, I click in this window and I hit Control Alt and Q. Also, you have shortcuts in Blender, keyboard shortcuts to access different views. So ones to really keep in mind is I use the top view a lot. So you can go to views from here, right? You've got viewpoint, you've got all these, and the shortcuts are in there, right? But the ones that I use the most are 1 and 3 for a side view, 1 and 7 for the top view, 1 and 5 for the perspective view.